Alright, I've had an issue with this vent. It's been rattling while we're going along, and as you might be able to see, it's sitting up on the left hand side and all the way along. Doesn't appear to be fitted very well compared to the one on the right hand side. So I'm going to take it out and do some investigation. Appears like the dashboard has come delaminated and needs resticking in place. There are some tabs here. Just in these points here is where those tabs go. And everything looks in good condition. So I think I need to find some glue and get that glued in place, and then hopefully get the vent back in and it should sit correctly and won't rattle. Okay, I've cleaned the area up so it's free from any grease, and I'm now going to put some impact adhesive in place, and that obviously needs to be left for 10 minutes, and we'll stick it together hopefully, and then it needs to be left a further 24 hours to fully cure, and I can then come back tomorrow and try and fit the vent. Okay, so I've got a nice long brush. Let's get as much in there as we can. Obviously got to be careful not to get it on the windscreen. See if I can get plenty on around where the clips are, because that's where the most strain is going to be on the glue. And the last little bit in there. That really hasn't got down inside that bit very well. Okay, and I'll leave that for 10 minutes. Right, that's been left for around about 10 minutes. So I'm going to push the surfaces together and hopefully they'll stick. Which they are doing pretty nicely. Whether this will hold long term, we'll wait and see. One point to note is make sure you open the door of the vehicle to give yourself some ventilation, because that the glue is not very pleasant. Okay, 24 hours to wait. The repair to the Demister vent is now complete and it fits in really well. Apologies, I mislaid the footage of me installing it, and in fact, as you might have noticed during the video, the initial repair didn't work. And again, apologies, I lost the footage for the actual repair that I did do. But in short, the second attempt was successful. I used an epoxy 2-part mix, put it into a syringe with the nozzle that you can see here. As you can see, it's a reasonable size hole, and what I found was I could just squeeze it perfectly in the position that I wanted to put it, and it did a really good job. I held everything together in the same way I did for the initial repair, and this is actually 2 weeks on now. It's all looks perfect, no rattles, no squeaks, and yeah, we're good to go.